Today I'm going to show you how to create your React app in less than 5 seconds. So React is used for creating front-end components. So you can either use functional components or you can use class components, but we are not going to be going into that today. Today I just want to show you how you can create your React app. So this is my Visual Studio Code. So you can just expand it a bit. Then let me check the location. Go to my desktop just to create a simple application. So how do you create your first React app with create a React app? That is what I want to show you. So ensure you have Node.js installed, and you'll get Node.js from, so you can just go and search for Node.js, download, and you'll get the latest version. So come to this one, download Node.js. So you can open that. So you'll find the latest version or the version that you want to use from here. And then also you'll also need to have the documentation for creating React app. So they have moved from this one reactjs.org to create dev React. So this one. So you'll find the documentation from here. So with that said, how do you create your React app? You just create it with this function as they're showing you. So npx create React app and then give your app a name. So for example, this is a demo app. I just press enter. So I think I typed this wrongly. I typed npx. It should be create React app, then demo app. That's what I was looking at. So let's see. So this or the name can no longer contain capital letters. So we made another error. Let's clear that. npx create React app, then demo app. See now how this now works. So it's creating a new React app in my desktop. Then it's installing React, React DOM, and React scripts, and there's here a template. So now it has finally completed, and you can see. So this is how you build it, but this is how you start it. So let's go to our desktop and just bring that file in. So here is the app, demo app. Drag it here, and that should open the folder. So now you can see we have a node modules. This is where all your packages come in when you npm install them. So that is how React handles them. Then public folder, you'll have your assets, you'll have anything that is public to the app. And then on source, this is where you'll have your components, your app.css, your app.js, which runs the file. And then you have index.js, which is the root for the project. So you'll have a package.json which has all the dependencies, and you'll also have the scripts on how to start the app and all that. So let's just start this. npm start. With that, you should be able to have your app going up. So let's see. So starting the development server, and then it directly goes to the browser on port 3000. But if you have something else on port 3000, you can always change that port or remove the one that you have. So let's see, let it load up, and there you go, and there is your React app. So these are the public files that you're seeing in the file structure and everything. So you can see compiled successfully and webpack compiled successfully. So that is how you create your own React app very quickly using create React app.